Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you. Me change Judas. With the media grow, I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me lamb caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends me done, dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son you be the show you. Me pagro, me pabro. Buruki hana me chicho dabro. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Perfect things, I be perfect things. Perfect things, we be perfect things. Love. So we just hold there, I go to scam you. Me change Judas. With the media grow, I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me lamb caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends me done, dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son you be the show you. Me pagro, me pabro. Buruki hana me chicho dabro. Perfect thing.
Yeah, man.
Allez, tu peux être ready.
Sorry.
Allez, the way I make up you. By overhead you. We are talking about one is bet.
Yeah.
The promo code no Charlie. HRF no. They change the deposit no. If you deposit it's now 300% bonus. 300% bonus.
Yeah.
Hey. Business will we send you.
Oh, by one is bet no to the help you small.
Shun that one.
Oh, but today they make up you.
What's
Check it.
Open
the
till make us see something.
Actually, no. Oh, then one man. I put three.
Open and make us see something.
Everything did that.
One of the office scout. Yeah, one was a scout.
Make a career if you go, man. Huh?
No woman and me am a baby.
Shun that. I will give you 10%. 10%. I be in that.
But baby, how?
Hello?
Good afternoon, boss.
Yeah, how are you doing?
I'm fine, boss.
Oh, okay, I'm also fine.
Please, boss, I wanted to confirm the name and also the number in which I have to send the money to. So I want to know if I have to send through this line or you have another.
Oh, yeah, this number.
Okay, the name which will appear.
Hamlet Asidu.
Okay. Thank you, sir. It will be in soon.
Okay. I will let you know if I receive it.
Let me even type the number on this phone so that at least I can. 0541 81 7324. Let me confirm it well before it's too late.
Now your client.
Charlie.
Yeah. But they gonna say my bet no loss no crown today they are again so no yeah.
One is betting now that Charlie. Today I was spoil you.
Funny baby how. Did you say I did yeah boy in now I am sir.
You can break out.
Yeah.
This year
I bought them. But today there you try.
20,000 pounds. Take and come here.
But today there for try go choose more. I be money come.
Nene ase also ase skaba ye ose museo mai ose woka abe boom
last time we for care about and there was
Yeah, today you need to spoil that.
If you no worry, I mean, no say you will be my guy. You be my guy.
You boy show and you both get to end. And never both get to end. Bye, Charlie. Today and that day. What's it?
That be the vibe. Hey, I feel you, bro. I feel I'm so. Hey, today we go both chill.
Hello? Yeah, I just received it.
Okay. Thank you, boss. Thank you so much. God bless you, boss.
Oh, okay. You hear from me later, right? Okay. I'll call you when everything is done.
Okay. Aish! Straight to UK. Hey! Hi! God has really answered prayers, UK. A week time. Hey!
Yeah, perfecting. I be perfecting. Perfecting. We be perfecting. Perfecting. I be perfecting. Perfecting. We be perfecting. Love. So we just hold here. I go to scam you.
Everybody has their job, 9 to 5, and getting drained. They settle for second best, scared to risk what the future might bring. What the future might bring. I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more waiting for me. Whoa. If I love you harder than I've ever done before, oh, maybe I belong somewhere above the water. My lungs are tired from running for a long time. My feet got blisters, but maybe I belong if I love a little harder. If I love all the ways the world puts me to the test, if I embrace every fall, learn to grow and keep myself tall, would it hurt at all? I hold my breath, waiting for someone to knock at my door, telling me there is more waiting for me. Whoa. If I love you harder than I've ever done before, oh, maybe I belong somewhere above the water. My lungs are tired from running for a long time. Small city thinking, I get why you left. Small-minded people sure know how to drink. I came to the party, I laughed at the jokes you made. I wish that I hadn't, 'cause now the joke's on me. I didn't come here just so I could watch you make a mess. I didn't come here to ugly cry in my favorite dress. So what the hell were you thinking then when you kissed her?
Sims. Okay, yeah, man. Hey, I don't know me.
Oh, I saw you. Sorry.
Sorry. Just sorry. Okay. Now then, Obano.
She's just a
A friend. Me can you give me another couple words?
Yeah, that day, she's the one.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, perfect things. I be perfect things. Perfect things. We be perfect things. Perfect things. I be perfect things. Perfect things. We be perfect things. Love. So we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas. Who the media I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me I'm caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son you be betray you. Me pagro, me pabro. Buruki hana me chicho dabro. Perfect things.
Nah, me your day.
You also have a friend, what was it?
Your friend. Friend.
Why? Yo, is there a problem?
Oh.
You say I'll call you. Please. Oh.
Same.
Perfect things. I be perfect things. Perfect things. We be perfect things. Perfect things. I be perfect things. Perfect things.
You promised to give me a call in the morning. I don't know why. I've been calling since morning. You know me answer my call. Why? Let me even try again. See if you'll pick the call this time around. Hello. You won't even answer my call too. You know what I have for you. Let me even try again. Hello, boss. I've been calling you since morning, but you've not been answering my call, boss. Boss.
Yeah, perfect things. I be perfect things. Perfect things. We be perfect things. Perfect things. I be perfect things. Perfect things. We be perfect things. Love. So we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas. Who the media I go betray you. My heart is broken.
Call me good afternoon.
Afternoon. Oh, bra, no, uncle.
Now so many friends me don't dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My boss is so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life.
I'm tired of oh, mom and Tom Ray.
Yes, like see me who are why you
oh, and you is young.
Bibi how? What I catch him Bibi how? Yeah, sure. Bibi how they catch him?
Also, me name is guy in Yakasana, ya break your things.
Ah, see boys so we are fucking pound. I didn't see.
Oh, a long story.
Long story. They catch him, didn't see.
Yeah, even Casalita, I can't show.
Hello. I'm not sure this is his number. No. Let me even call again. I'm not sure this is a no. Let me call again.
The number you are calling is currently switched off. Please try later. The MTN number you are calling is currently switched off. Please try later.
Do you go see him? No. Let me call again. I don't even know how am I even going to disclose this information to my sister? Fraud. No, I'm not sure. Like, no. I think Prosper, cool down. Fine. No. Let me check something. First day, come. Meet me here. It happened. Good. Meet me here. But I remember I went to the agency's office. I went to the office. So like maybe am I dreaming or what? How could this be possible? I went there, we met, I greeted them, I came, I called, but no, this can't be fraud. No. Hey! Like how? I should have come 2 hours, but I can number 10,000.
I say okay.
I thought you were home. Grandsons are about Fiano. I said, who is only about Biage now and I'll buy Yabasel.
With the body, the view. Man, I'm like, I can't be there.
Oh, then, now I'm pursuing cake.
Sir.
So then, make Quaba.
I should hear now.
So you're sure so soon he gave you.
Oh, the view, we leave you. Hey, someone I gave you some.
Yeah, perfect things. I'll be perfect things. Perfect things. We be perfect things. Perfect things. I'll be perfect things. Perfect things. We be perfect things. Love. So we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas. With the media, I go betray you. My heart is broken.
Money. What's up?
Because was me dear no say me one car. I mean I'm what boy more die.
This guy also why they give me programs then?
Because I was the Biana yesterday. And you listen American. No so dey cook and fanta bi. The mood tia grow. Cook me fanta ni. Seconds be a win. I mean many show pa.
What is going on?
We a boy also to cook and fantasy.
What? Just them. What are you trying to say?
That 2 girls be amongst what I'm here. They share contact.
Give me them names.
A man that breeze you say breeze. I don't know. Yeah.
They're just my friends.
Hey, I know that you say you tell me this. For you pass up a kind of crash me party. Not like kind of crazy boy. Maybe I know. Maybe I see here.
Okay, they're just my friends. Nothing more. You know.
perfecting. I be perfecting. Perfecting. We be perfecting. Perfecting. I be perfecting. Perfecting. We be perfecting. Love. So we just hold here, I go to scam you. Bitch and Judas. Who the media grow, I go betray you. My heart is broken, dada. Gani and me lamb caution, dada. Me need kappa. Now so many friends me done, dada. Perfect things with a perfect life. My battle so I lose so fly. This is what we do for life. This is what we do for life. I'm a scammer. Let me win so my son you be the show you. Me pagro, me pabro. Buruki hana me chicho dabro. Perfect things.